Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today we'll show you how to get a full refund on Uber Eats. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply open your account on Uber Eats on the desktop. Then you should go and click on these three horizontal lines on the top left side. Once you click on it, you should now go and click on help. Then now you should go and select the item or the food that you want to get the refund on. So I will go and select this one here, for example. Once you click on it, you should now scroll down till you get here past order. Click on it. And now you will have to tell them exactly what was the problem with your order. So simply I will go and click on food damage or quality issue. And after that, select if you want to refund the entire order or specific order items inside the order. So I'm gonna check this box, entire order, then hit the next. And now they'll ask you what actually went wrong with your order. You should just select any one of them. You can select multiple options or select the problem that you have actually faced during ordering the food. So once you choose the option, you should scroll down. They'll get here this next section or next button. Tap on it. And once you click on next, here it will tell you here this message. Thanks for contacting us. Just click on done and you will get the refund. Now keep in mind that you have to wait from 5 minutes to 24 hours depending on how quality they get back. And when you go back to the support messages, they will send you actually a new message telling you that they are going to refund your order. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.